Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make Google Sheets public. So if you create a new file on Google Sheets, it will be automatically saved as private to only you as the editor or creator. And if you want to make it public, you can just click on File, and here you can click on share. So there are two options, share with others and also publish to web. So if you click on share with others, so in here you need to add people or groups that you want to invite to this file as an editor or as a viewer only, and you need to change the general access in here from restricted to anyone with the link, and click on done. So that's the first way to make your file public. And the second option, click on file again, click on share and choose publish to web. So in here, the link in here, you can just click on public, and then the Google Sheet will question you, are you sure you want to make this section public? You can just choose public and it will be changed as a publish like this. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can make Google Sheets public. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.